2040, anyone to clear for level 15 with the gun at the car wash 4610 South 12th.
7-2, myself and 7-6er, 12 and all.
10-4. There's seen one caller so far sitting at the car wash. People are fighting and somebody had a gun. There's nothing further just yet. They're trying to get further. They're using an interpreter.
Copy, I'll take a third with a long gun.
Any unit with a long gun. 4610 South 12.
I'll be en route to that call.
10-4. And still just one caller, but they're advising 30 people or 23 and 4 are armed with guns.
Copy, we closer. 4.
One you 7-3 units, including yourself. Air is down.
1-7, copy.
At each other and they have traffic stopped.
176. We're 22, we're not seeing a whole lot, but there's about 100 people here.
Anyone else who can clear to assist?
7-2, at least one more to us. Hopefully at least 2 or 3 more to start picking these guys off. No active fight. Traffic has not been shut down yet. 7-2, you can clear the air. Just keep units in route code 3.
1-7 air is clear, and anyone else who can clear 4610 South 12.